Guess what? We're back, and this was a requested video by one of my friends, and so I just thought I would go ahead and get this filmed and have it posted at the beginning of this week. And today we're going to be talking about how to create the, I'm not going to say perfect, but a pretty good winged eyeliner and or just a regular eyeliner. So I'm going to kind of go over a few of my favorite eyeliners here. I'm going to go over kind of like talking about why I like them, which ones do best doing what. And before we get into the video, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Like this video if you want to see more of these tutorial like videos. As I said in my last one last week, that I am going to make this a solid point on my channel to have more tutorial videos, because I think for people like me, when I first started makeup, that it really helped me, so that's what I want to do. So yeah, let's just jump right in the video. I'm going to get my hair pulled back and let's get started, guys. Alrighty guys, I've got you zoomed in as close as I can get you. Granted, my system is just a wee bit janky. But, so I got my bangs all pulled back here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. When I'm working, I'll just try to lean in a little bit closer and try to show you what I'm trying to do here. So before we get started, I'm going to go over a few products that I really love and what they do best. So for the waterline on the bottom of your eye, I prefer to use a pencil liner over a liquid liner. I've got 3 of these products from the brand. It's called Koki is the brand. And I have 3 of them. I have a black, a blue, and a silver. I really love these eyeliners. They are very creamy to apply to your waterline. My silver one needs sharpened, but they're all really nice, super creamy pencils. I will just swatch these for you. They're very pigmented, and they really last a long time. And the silver, I loved the silver using it during the holidays. Like, I created some really pretty like wintry wonderland eyes. So those are the swatches. Hopefully you guys can see them. So I love those pencils for the waterline. And then also this nude one, it's from Rimmel. I love this one. It is really creamy. It's just a nude one. I love putting a nude liner on the waterline just to kind of like, it really brightens the eyes up, especially when you're doing like a black eyeliner on the top of your lid. It really just brightens your eyes up. And then I have 3 liquid liners I really love. 2 of them are my absolute favorites. First one is this Curvitude liner by Maybelline. The point is a felt tip. I really like it because it is curved like that, so whenever you are using it to apply, it just, the curvature just is really nice. And then I have this other Maybelline product. It's the Master Precise Curvy. The tip is like that. Now granted, this one is a little bit more difficult to work with whenever you're doing the wings. So I kind of just use one if I'm just doing like a straight line that day. And then this one is another favorite. It is the Kat Von D Trooper liquid liner. I love the point on this one. I can create perfect, precise lines with this one. It's very nice. So alrighty, those are some of my favorite liners. Let's just go ahead and get started in the video. So I went ahead and applied some just nude shadow to my eyes today. So tip 1, when I first started applying liner, is I used just some clear tape and applied it to my eyes. And what you can do is just take the tape and kind of stick it to your hand to get rid of it being so sticky that way whenever you apply it to your face, you don't feel like when you're taking it off that it like rips off part of your face, because this stuff is pretty sticky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my face. That way I can show you guys how when I first started, how it was made things just easier on myself by using tape. Then whenever I got more comfortable, I was then able to not have to use tape. So, and then the next thing is always trying to get both of your wings to look the same. I mean, we all struggle with that. So today I'm going to just use this Maybelline Curvitude liner, and we're just gonna start right in here. So I always start at the inner corner of my eye and go about halfway, and then start at the outer corner of my eye and then finish. I don't know, it's something about it makes it a little bit easier instead of just going all the way across. You'll just kind of have to find your own way about that and see what works best for you. Everybody does it different. Some people just start at the outside and go all the way in, but I start at the middle or the inner corner, go to the middle, and then go to the outer corner and then go back to the middle. So and also the key to working with liner is to just be patient. I struggle with my patience so much, and look, I just messed up. Oh well, we're just gonna go with it here. I'm actually gonna get a wipe and try to clean that up. This is also why I don't apply liner while I'm filming. I do it off camera, because even I still struggle. Alrighty, so the easy part is done. I got just the straight line going across there as straight as I can get it, that is anyways. Then we're just going to go ahead and wing it out here, and what you do is you just basically just put your pen right up along that tape, and you can just follow the tape, literally, and you can get as sloppy as you want, and it's not going to affect anything because it's just going to peel off with the tape. So then once you get your line drawn with the tape, you just kind of bring it back to create your wing, draw back to your outer corner there. Now since I really did a dramatic wing here, I'm going to widen this out quite a bit. Now, you can do a smaller wing and then not have to go so high, and then you just won't have to make it as thick. So now we're just going to peel this away, and you guys are going to see how this tape works. See? Look at that precise line. It's pretty good. I'm not going to lie. It's pretty good. So we're just going to go ahead and... I'm getting the liner on my hand over here. We're going to go ahead and do the other eye here. You guys might not be able to see this one as good on camera. So then we're just going to go ahead and start following this tape line just like we did. I'm going to try to make this wing a little bit not as dramatic as the other one. That way you guys can see So then I just went like 1/4 of an inch up alongside the tape. Then I'm just going to start drawing like a triangle basically back, and you're going to try to just connect that in with like this part of your eye, and then you just kind of color everything else back in. So then we're just going to peel away the tape, and see, look, you've got a perfect wing. I think this one turned out better than the other one. But I'm just trying to demonstrate a few different ways of how to create wings. So I'm going to go ahead and take this nude eyeliner and show you how you just run that right along your waterline. And can you guys see how that like really just brightened up your under eye area? Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope my tips and tricks were a little bit of helpful use to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful for you. If you have any other questions, I promise I will answer them. So please comment below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, so we'll catch me next time. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye. Thanks for watching.